You also wanted me to jackhammer the fucking.
Wait, how much pack wall did you get?
When I was
3.
sorry. Sorry.
I don't know. I don't want to be gluttonous.
What you would say if you had a girl full attention, you walk up and be like, "Do it before I know." Yeah. Yeah.
According to multiple former Twitch employees. So I got to make sure I don't eat bad this morning.
Why would you do that? Why did you do that?
But people, they knew it wasn't me. It was on my face.
I don't expect anybody to feel bad for me. I don't bring my actual problems on stream.
Literally trash.
Nick, that was disgusting.
That was you fuck.
Teaching noob girlfriend how to play. Hey, nose.
Hey, at least
man, you're gonna touch your eyes and you're gonna start crying.
I would say Malena takes
Where'd that burp come from? It's only drawer.
Chad, who do you think's gonna win?
They're gonna vote for you guys. It's your stream.
Yeah, it's your stream.
Why do you think that
works?
Guys, thanks for all the subs today, by the way. Appreciate that.
Sorry.
You're so mad.
I invited you.
You invited me?
Yeah.
Ooh, L-Star. Malena, pick up the L-Star. It's a good gun.
What? Norway, that's everything we have.
Yeah, so everybody needs to calm down.
Sorry.
Is it...
Main's got like that. She like gets them donos like, you're so wholesome. I love you so much. But then like deep down in her head, she's like,